your Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Chicago Wendler.
Warm and humid for your Saturday, cooler and less humid to end the weekend. Plus, tracking the latest on Iota in the Caribbean. Let's start with a look at our weather here in Central Texas. Plenty of cloud cover in place, a couple of sprinkles here and there, but measurable rain, no, unfortunately not. Temperature-wise, though, 76 degrees already as of 10:30 in the morning. A normal high for November 14th is 72. Clearly, this unseasonable warmth continues for your Saturday. Temperatures running as much as 11 degrees warmer at this time than 24 hours ago. And as you can see, plentiful cloud cover and a couple of little tiny blips of green. Most of that not materializing in measurable rain, so just a couple of areas of light, spotty sprinkle activity. That's going to fade out by lunchtime, and unfortunately, as you can see from the LCRA observations, 1/100th of an inch fell just north of Burnett and 1/100th of an inch down south of Fredericksburg, and that is it. I do not have any more rain chances for the next 7 days. And as we track the rain, we're now 1.5 inches below normal at Camp Mabry for the month. This year, we have also dropped below normal. So what's ahead? Today, the 12th straight 80-degree plus day, but a cold front comes through overnight and it looks like it may be a little bit stronger. So I've trimmed back your high on Sunday to 73 in Austin. Some parts of the hill country may be in the 60s. And I've also trimmed back your morning low on Monday to the mid 40s in Austin. Looking for some 30s in the hill country and the usual chilly spots. So here's a look at your weekend. That 10% spotty sprinkle chance fading fast. 86 degrees this afternoon, 73 with sunshine and wind on Sunday behind our latest cold front. All right, so here's a closer look at your Sunday planner. The cold front probably going to push through Austin on a dry note right around 2 a.m. So by the time you wake up in the morning, it will already be through. 8 a.m., 56, brilliant sunshine. Noontime, look at those winds gusting 15 to 25 plus miles per hour, 67, and high temperature right around 73, which is still 1 degree warmer than normal. So you heard it's definitely going to be cooler, but still just barely above typical for this time of year. And then we'll ramp temperatures up as we head through next week. Now for highs, it'll be pleasant. For lows, you may need to grab the jacket, especially by the time we reach Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday mornings. Future clouds and radar. As you can see, we're going to see those clouds melt away and lots of sunshine by afternoon. 86 is my forecast. The record high is 89, set back in 1921. Then overnight, the cold front starts pushing in. By midnight, already through Mason and toward Llano County. By 2 a.m., pushing through Austin. You may notice a little tiny blip of green in eastern Williamson County. This front's going to probably come through on a dry note if anyone sees a stray shower. It might be folks in Fayette County like LaGrange right around 3 to 4 a.m. Cold front pushes through, temperatures drop behind it, so wake up temperatures in the 50s. Austin points north and west in the 60s to the south and east. And then throughout the day, we're going to have that northerly wind kind of pulling in chillier air. So in the hill country, it's possible you may spend most of the day in the 60s. We'll go 70s from Austin points off toward the south and east. Finally, look at what you're going to wake up to on Monday. Most of these temperatures are in the 40s, but I wouldn't be surprised if we've got some upper 30s on the map first thing on Monday morning. Going to be a beautiful day with light winds, though. Temperatures rounding out in the 70s. As mentioned, rain not likely, possibly Fayette County, pre-dawn on Sunday, and that is it. The latest on the tropics, we're looking in the Caribbean at Tropical Storm Iota, expected to become a hurricane by tomorrow, Sunday. The outlook is not good, but I will tell you the National Hurricane Center as of Saturday morning has ratcheted back the forecast. Initially, it was looking like Iota could strengthen to a Category 3 major hurricane before making landfall early next week. Now the Hurricane Center is saying perhaps not quite as much rapid intensification, so becoming a Category 1 hurricane tomorrow, Sunday, becoming a Category 2 on Monday, and possibly making that landfall in northern Nicaragua, near the Nicaragua-Honduras border, pushing inland across Central America from Nicaragua to Honduras to El Salvador and Guatemala. This is horrible news because these folks are still recovering from the devastation caused by Eta. Finally, out in the Pacific, no threat to land, but I thought I would let you know there is a 70% development chance southwest of Mexico of what could become Polo. Finally, wrapping things up, I've done a couple of little tweaks to your forecast for the next 7 days. Nothing major. Probably the biggest thing is the fact that I do anticipate we're going to have 70s for Sunday, And then by the time we reach Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we'll see lots of sunshine in place, low temperatures in the 40s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday before we start to see a little bit more humidity climb back in. Stay tuned. Avery Tomasco will have your latest forecast update later on CBS Austin News this evening. Take care and enjoy the rest of your weekend.